Today in the Twan kitchen, we have a seafood smash burger. That's right, look at that. It's a crab and shrimp patty. This thing was amazing. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel for more recipes. So let's go. Now, all of the ingredients will be in the description for you to follow. Occasionally, I will put some of the ingredients on the screen, so don't worry, I got y'all. Now, we are going to start with medium to large shrimp. We're going to go ahead and put that into a food processor. You want to basically mince it and chop it up. You can have some shrimp chunks in there if you want, but I minced mine. As you can see, it should look just like that. Nice and simple, about 30 seconds. Now let's go ahead and get our mixture together for these crab and shrimp smash burgers, all right? Start off with 2 large eggs, whisk those together just like that. Now let's add our other ingredients. We're going to start off with 2 tablespoons of DIJON or yellow mustard, or you can use both. That good old W sauce, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Look, I messed it up. 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes. You want to go ahead and add that into the mixture. Then a ½ cup of breadcrumbs or finely crushed crackers. All right, so go ahead and mix. Now stir to combine. Now each step I'm going to stir to combine. I want to control the mixture. I want to make sure that the density of my mixture is right on point. All right, to that you can add a ½ tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning or Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. That's going to go ahead and give our mixture a nice flavor, just like that. Stir to combine and add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. I didn't film it, my bad. Now add the shrimp. So this is 1 or 2 pounds of the shrimp that we minced. We want to go ahead and add that into the mixture, and we're going to go ahead and stir to combine just like that. It should be like a paste-like consistency, because again, you want the shrimp burgers to hold its form. All right. Now to that, add 1 cup of lump crab. Now I'm splitting my cup into ½ cups just so I can control the mixture and see exactly how much I want to add. This is your recipe. Add as much or as little as you like. All right. So go ahead and add that in. And this is the remaining crab meat. I went ahead and added that in. Fold the crab meat in. It's not really going to make a difference, but I hate messing up good old lump crab meat. Now for the next step, you will need some parchment paper squares. I'm taking my mixture and rolling that into 2 to 4 ounce balls. 2 ounces if you want a smaller smash burger, 4 ounces if you want your smash burger to be more on the thicker side. As you can see here, I wanted mine more on the thicker side. And look, that's about 4 ounces, all right? You want to make sure it's on the parchment paper. That's very important. I'm gonna show you why in the next step, all right? So let's go ahead and heat up our skillet. So this is a cast iron skillet, and I have that heat on medium high, and put some neutral oil down. I flip it over with the parchment paper still attached. Now you flatten it on the parchment paper with a spatula, just like that. That's why the parchment paper is very important. All right, so go ahead and smash it with a spatula, and it should flatten just like that. Now once you have it to the consistency that you like, take that parchment paper off. That's very important. Do not cook with the parchment paper still on your smash burger. Now for a nice crust, I added 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. This is going to give a nice crust to my smash burger. Now flipping it over 3 to 5 minutes each side. Look, bam, look at that. Look how golden brown that is. That is the shrimp, the crab, our seasoning mixture in there. It's so easy. Look at that. Now go ahead and add whatever cheese you prefer. I have a cheddar, a mixed cheddar, and I have some provolone. Whatever you want, okay? It's your recipe, remember that. So go ahead and cover that up. Allow the cheese to melt only for a few seconds, not too long, and the heat should be pretty much on low at this point, or you can turn it off. I went ahead and added my brioche bun to that same skillet to toast it up. Ooh, nice and buttery. Now this is optional, but I wanted a nice Old Bay mayo to complement the smash burgers. I'll have the ingredients in the description for you guys to follow, and also on the screen. And I did hit it with some good old Old Bay hot sauce as well, and this thing was amazing. So stir to combine is a nice, quick and simple mayo to add to your actual burger. Now let's go ahead and assemble this burger. This thing is going to be amazing. Definitely hit it with our Old Bay mayo, just like that. Listen, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel for more recipes, but let's go ahead and put our smash burgers on that good old bun on top of our lettuce, our Old Bay mayo. I'm so ready to dig in. Now add whatever condiments you like. Tomato if you like. I'm not really a tomato fan, but it's for the aesthetics purposes, you know. Added some good old onion. I love a nice raw onion on all my burgers. Now look at that smash burger. Doesn't that look amazing? Whew, that thing is so pretty. You got our Old Bay mayo, our cheese, the condiments on there, on a nice buttery brioche bun. This thing was a 10 out of 10. So let's go ahead and give this thing a taste test. Hey everyone, now for the best part. I wanted to give this a nice taste. Now listen, we made this. This burger's sliding all over the place. That's how thick it is, but that's the aesthetic and that's the feel you want. You want a nice, thick, juicy smash burger. Now listen, I took a bite of this and I'm thinking to myself like, oh my gosh, this thing was amazing. It was a 10 out of 10 thumbs up experience and I could not stop eating this burger. I actually had to make another one to take pictures of. But listen, this was amazing. This has been Eats with Twan and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more recipes.